Hello everyone. Hope all of you are doing well in this pandemic situation. So today what I'll do, I'll record a video regarding communication skills. Okay, so watch this video very carefully, and if you feel that these instructions will help you enhance your communication, then please utilize all these instructions very carefully, because I am going to share few tips with you how you will be able to improve your communication. Okay, so these are the tips which you will not get in any institute, because these are the tips which I have learned from my own experience working in this sector or in this field. There are few instructions which is given to me by my teachers, by my mentors, my well-wishers, and also few relatives. They are not close relatives, but you can call them acquaintances, okay, or maybe few friends also. So I am also from a Bengali medium school, okay, but today I can speak a little bit of English, but that is all my own work. I have learned whatever English in today I can speak whatever English, that English I have learned by my own experiences, by doing things which not there in any books, can be taught in any institution. This video will be longer, but every good thing has a long duration. If you are learning something, you want to improve something, then you should spend some times. You need to spend some times in order to achieve your goals and dreams. Okay, so this video I'll tell you something which is very important if you want to improve your English communication. Now, communication is two types. One is verbal, one is non-verbal. So here I am going to share you tips regarding verbal communications. Okay, so basically, if somebody is from a village, or if somebody from any regional medium schools, they need to follow this. I followed this, and I can speak little bit of English. You can see whatever English I can speak because of this. Okay, so point number one, I want all of you to please write it down right now. Number one, you need to read a English newspaper on a daily basis. Okay, this is point number one. In order to improve your communication skills, you need to read a English newspaper daily. Now the choice is yours. If you think that you can read Times of India, please go ahead. If you think that you will read the Telegraph, then you can read it. But my suggestion would be, please read Times of India, because Times of India is a very easy going newspaper. It is very easy to read, very easy to understand. The sentence construction, the grammars, they are very basic level. If you're reading Telegraph, then you have to carry a dictionary with you, because the sentence construction, the grammatical parts are a little bit of on the higher side. Okay, you can read English books, but that is up to you. If you have any particular author in mind, then you can follow that author, or else you can go ahead with a newspaper, English newspaper, preferably Times of India. Okay, please read Times of India every day. Don't give any excuse that today is this, tomorrow is that. You have to constantly read this newspaper till the time you speak well. Point number one. Okay, now at the same time, it is important, or I will advise you that you should make a note of the words which are unknown words. Suppose you read a new word or an unknown word, please write it down on a diary, and please check the meaning of the particular word from Google. I'll not tell you to find the meaning from the dictionary, because nowadays dictionaries are obsolete. Nobody is using dictionary. People have Google. they have smartphones. So what you can do is you can go to Google and you can write it down, the meaning, and please make a note of 10 words per day, not more than that, because initially when you start it will be a huge job. If you're a working professional, you will not able to manage so many things. All right, so my advice is to make a note of 10 words per day. So if you are making a note of 10 words per day, then on a week you'll be able to learn 70 new words. On a month you'll be able to learn 300 new words, and in a year you will be able to learn around 3650 new words, which is not a joke, right? So after 1 year you will have that much vocabulary in your locker. Okay, so this is point number 2. You need to listen. Listening is very important. When we were a child, we used to be in our home. Before going to the school, we learn the language, our mother tongue. How? By listening. When we listen, so many people around us, they used to speak in which language? Mother tongue. So we used to listen and we used to learn it so quickly. Before going to school, we were able to tell sentences at home. How? By listening. And sometimes our father, mother, the family people, they used to help us with the sentence and the words. So this is very, very important, guys. If you want to improve your communication, you have to have a very good listening skill. And how you will develop it? You will not be able to develop it overnight. You have to listen each and every day very carefully, whatever you are listening, any movie, any documentary, any web series. But please don't listen to musics. Some people say that listening English musics will enhance your communication. But my suggestion, if you are listening a music, then as a normal human being, our tendency is to just to feel that. What do? When you listen something, we just feel the music. We enjoy the rhythm. We don't learn anything. So please don't listen music to improve your English communications. You should listen to you should watch movies. You should documentary. YouTube is the best medium. Everybody has internet. So go to YouTube, watch as many videos you can, but watch some meaningful videos which make your life good. Not any kind of random videos. If you're interested about something, learn it by going into YouTube. If you're interested, if you want to watch motivational videos, go ahead. Okay. Initially you need to start with subtitles, because when you start listening or watching, you might not understand the accent. If you're watching something American or British, you will not be able to understand it. It is not that easy. It takes a lot of years of practice. So when you do it initially, you need to put the subtitle on and listening. I know it's tough because you have to watch and then again have to see the subtitle. It's difficult, but this is the key. When you are learning something for the first time, use subtitles. After some time, when you feel confident that I am able to understand what the person is saying on the video, please turn off the subtitle. Try practicing it. It will be difficult initially when you turn off the subtitle, but at the end of the day, it will pay dividends for you. So very, very careful, pay attention what you are listening, write it down, the words, unknown words, and turn on the subtitle on TV or in YouTube. Alright, so these are very, very important listening skills. So if you can do it, then I think you can learn any language in the world. I'm not talking about English, any language in the world. The first step is listening. So listen very, very carefully. Otherwise, you will not be able to learn the language you are looking for. Okay? And it is important that sometimes you should spend some time with your friends or somebody who is also, in your stage. Maybe intermediate, beginner, elementary. Try to speak with them. You have WhatsApp, Facebook, Messengers, Instagram. Try messaging them. Talk with them. And practice. That's the key. Okay? So, it is very important. So for today this is my suggestion. I'll make other videos also regarding this communication. So please implement this thing, and hope to see you again in my next video, when I'll share more tips and tricks how you can improve your communication. Thank you.